Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. So I am back with another interesting and informative video, and my today's video is about health benefit of fenugreek seeds. Number 1 is lower blood cholesterol. Fenugreek helps to reduce cholesterol level, especially one of the low density lipoprotein LDL. They are known to be rich source of steroidal saponins that prevent the absorption of cholesterol and triglycerides. 2 is prevent colon cancer. Fenugreek seed is a rich source of fiber, saponins and mucilage which help in removing the body toxins and protect the colon mucous membranes from cancers. Number 3 is reduce the risk of heart disease. Fenugreek play a key role in maintaining your heart health. It also contains high amount of potassium that counters the action of sodium to help control heart rate and blood pressure. Team a healthy diet with yoga for healthy heart. Number 4 is control blood sugar levels. Diabetic must include methi either in the form of seeds or leaf in their diet because galactomannan and natural soluble fiber present in fenugreek slow down the rate of sugar absorption into blood. It also contains amino acid responsible for inducing the production of insulin. Number 5 is cure acidity. Methi seeds helps in curing the acid reflux heartburn as it has mucilage which covers the stomach and intestinal lining and soothes the irritated tissues of the gastrointestinal tract. Tablespoon soak methi seeds in water provide more relief as the soaking process, making its outer coating mucilaginous. Number 6 is relief sore throat. It provides relief from the fever, cough and sore throat when taken with a tablespoon of honey and lemon. Number 7 is improve digestive problems and cholesterol levels. Fenugreek may help with numerous digestive problems such as upset stomach, constipation and inflammation of the stomach. For instance, the water-soluble fiber in fenugreek, among other foods, helps relieve constipation. It also works to get digestion and is often incorporated as an ulcerative colitic diet treatment plan due to its anti-inflammatory effect. Number 8 is helps you lose weight. Include fenugreek in your weight loss diet by chewing soaked methi seeds in the morning on an empty stomach. The natural soluble fiber in the fenugreek can swell and fill the stomach, thereby suppressing your appetite and aiding your weight loss goals. 9 is improve exercise performance. Fenugreek extract supplementations on strength and body composition in man. 47 resistant trained men were matched according to body weight to ingest either 70 grams of dextrose, placebo, 5 grams of creatine and 70 grams of dextrose, plus 3.5 grams of creatine and 900 milligrams of fenugreek extracts, and participate in 4 days a week periodized resistant training program for 8 weeks. Number 10 is help with eating disorders. Beyond enhancing flavor, fenugreek has been shown in increased appetite which result in restorative and nutritive properties. Experiments were performed that determine food consumptions and motivation to eat as well as metabolic endocrine changes. Here are some most amazing benefits of fenugreek seeds. Hope this video is very beneficial for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be right back after a short break. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.